Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is MeganRicica and I am a fashion and lifestyle vlogger. And today I am very excited because I am doing a review of the e.l.f. Skin Hit Kit. The Skin Hit Kit. This is a new all-natural hemp-based system that they have. So I ordered the mini Skin Hit box just so I could try everything out, and then if I really like the items, then I'm going to buy them in the bigger size. So this box comes with 4 different products. I haven't even opened this yet. It just came in the mail. And it is the Puff Puff Primer, the Happy Hydration Cream, All the Feels Facial Oil, and then they also have the Calm Balm, which is just a chapstick basically. So I am really excited to try these products out. I'm trying to move into using more natural products in my everyday routine. So let's get started with this review. So it's the morning. I'm drinking my coffee still. People always ask me, like, this is with nothing on my face. I haven't even moisturized because this kit does come with moisturizer. I do have my eyebrows done and I did put on a little bit of mascara because I know today I'm going with like a more natural look and I hate putting my mascara on camera. So the first product that I'm going to start with is the Happy Hydration Cream. So that is basically just a face cream to kind of start your makeup or wear it at night. So that's what I'm really excited about. That's the product that kind of pulled me in to this kit. So let me start with that. So to start out, the mini Skin Hit kit was only $15. So to try out 4 products, I was all about it. This is the little face cream that it came with, the Happy Hydration Cream, which I'm excited about. So let me read what this product is about. So you're gently going to massage a small amount of cream onto skin alone before makeup or morning or night. So there's really no smell to it, which is nice. So I'm just gonna put a little bit to start out. Feels really like creamy and nice. I'm like sniffing, so sorry if you hear me sniffing. It doesn't have any scent to it, which I really like in a skin cream. Like, I don't need to like have like, I don't know. Like, I don't need to smell like hemp. I don't need to have like a strong scent on my skin. If I choose to wear perfume, that's, I guess, where I would like the smell to come from, not so much from my makeup or skin cream. But this feels really nice. It's not greasy. It's smooth. A little goes a long way. On my skin, it just kind of like freshens everything up. I do have some dry skin right in here. I woke up with that and was like, what the heck? So I'm just gonna put a little bit of extra in here because it was weird this morning when I woke up. But yeah, I love that it doesn't have a scent and it's really just smooth and a very, you know, nice skin cream. I usually use Tatcha, but it's really, really expensive and I'm like somebody that is very budgeted. So for me to spend like $68, I think is how much the skin cream costs, is a lot. So I really like this, and if it works good for months to come, then I'm definitely probably gonna like switch over, but it feels really nice. All right, so while that moisturizer is kind of setting in my face and drying, I'm going to try out the Calm Balm, which is basically a chapstick, but it says that this lip balm is infused with hemp-derived Cannabis Satvia to help nourish, condition, moisturize even the most sensitive lips, leaving them with a healthy shine. It's also infused with sunflower seed oil, meadow foam sea oil, and jojoba oil. What it looks like, hopefully you can see it. So let's try it out. I always smell everything. I don't smell any scent. This is really nice too. So no scent, which I love. Like, I don't want my lips to smell like candy or anything like that. It's really smooth, it's soft. You could use it to give a little shine to your lips. So you can see my lips have a little bit of shine to them, but it's smooth. And I may use this to put on my lips actually at night, just to kind of moisturize them. I kind of use like Carmex and stuff like that. So this is a little bit nicer, all natural, vegan, no parabens. So yeah, this is really great too. And I love that there's no smell. Like, I'm really, if you can't tell, enjoying that part of these products. All right, next up we have the Puff Puff Primer. This is obviously a primer base to help your foundation and makeup stay all day. The one thing I'm noticing about this, let me hold it up here. You can see that the product is missing from the top. Like, I know this hasn't been used before because it came right from e.l.f., but I don't like that there's like no product up here, so you can tell like it's not all the way full, which isn't that big of a deal, but it's just something I noticed. So they said use a very small amount to prep your face, so that is what I'm going to do right now. All right, so I just finished putting the primer on my face. Again, I really like it. There's no complaints. A little goes a long way with all of these products, which is amazing. You don't need to use a lot of the primer to cover your entire face. And yeah, it was really nice. It's not sticky, but I can tell that it's like a base for my foundation. So I'm really happy with that too. Let me get a little bit closer. I know you can't really see anything, but my skin feels really nice and moisturized and clear. So far I'm really happy with all of these products. Like, I really like them, and for $15 I'm like so impressed. I love it. The last product in this mini skin hit is the e.l.f. All the Feels facial oil. Again, this is hemp derived, vegan, all natural. Really impressed. So this is a lightweight oil, and they said that you can apply a few drops to your face, or you can add a little bit to your foundation. So because I already have my face prepped with primer and I already moisturize, I think I'm gonna use this in my foundation. You can also add like a few drops to your foundation. So I was trying to decide what foundation I want to use to apply this to. So it's supposed to give like a little bit of a lighter look to your foundation. And I think I'm gonna use the Origins Pretty Bloom foundation. I think if I add this to the Origins Pretty Bloom foundation, it'll just give more of a lighter, brighter look to the foundation. So I'm gonna do that by just applying a couple drops. I'm gonna put it on my skin here so you can see how it all mixes. All right, so I just finished putting my foundation on. It looks really nice. It made the foundation feel really smooth. It's not a super heavy foundation, but it lasts all day. I really like it, and just adding a few drops of that oil made it a little more dewy, but it's still like smooth. It makes my face look like I have foundation on, but still lightweight enough where it's not super full coverage, but I still know it's gonna last every day. So I'm like really impressed with these products. I'm impressed with e.l.f. for making them affordable, non-scented, nice products that are vegan and cruelty-free, and also includes hemp in them. I'm just like, I'm sorry I keep saying that, but I'm really impressed. Like, it's really nice in the way that it looks on my skin. Like, the whole system together is really great, and I hope it helps that dry spot today while I'm just kind of like hanging out, and I do have a Zoom conference in a little bit, so I just hope it helps my face stay clear. But I am gonna record the rest of my like get ready routine, just because I know this video isn't super long. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, and I will see you at the end of this video for kind of like final thoughts. All right, everyone, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I am really impressed with these products. I will be buying the full size in just about every single one of them. The one product that I don't think is super necessary is the skin oil. Even though I love it, it made my foundation look really nice and smooth. That's something you could leave out if you're just like not an oil person, but I am gonna put it on my face tonight before I go to bed to help this like dry spot right here. But all of these products are really great. I love the lip balm and the cream. Like, I have nothing bad to say about any of it, and I'm really happy that the products have no scent to them. That like overjoyed me, obviously. So again, thank you so much. I will see you next week on Friday for another video. Bye guys.